Let's move to Sicily, just you and me and the Mediterranean Sea. I'll work on a scarlet boat that would keep us afloat. The sun would burn my throat. You lie beneath the shade, writing songs all day, give them to the summer haze. And in the evening we go stealing out beneath different stars. The night would hold us and gently fold us. We'd lose our minds in tiny bars. We never argue, 'cause with just us two there'd be no point to. They need a surgeon, 'cause in this version we'd become one person. And in the evening we go stealing out beneath different stars. The night would hold us and gently fold us. We'd lose our minds in time.